Let's face it, property taxes can be confusing. And if you're a homeowner in Adams County, Illinois, you've probably looked at your bill and wondered, how exactly did they come up with this number? You're not alone. In today's video, we're going to walk through how property taxes are calculated here locally so you can stop guessing and start understanding where your money's going. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, a full-time real estate broker here in Quincy and throughout Adams County. I help homeowners buy, sell, and navigate the ins and outs of the local market, including things like property taxes, which impact every owner whether you're in the city or out in the county. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how your tax bill is determined, what affects it, and what options you might have if it seems higher than expected. Let's start with the basics. Every property in Adams County is assigned an assessed value by the supervisor of assessments. That's typically based on the fair market value of your home, what it would sell for in today's market. But here's the twist. The assessed value is usually a percentage of that market value. In Illinois, most residential properties are assessed at 33.33% of their market value. So if your home's market value is $180,000, the assessed value would be around $60,000. Now, once that assessed value is determined, exemptions come into play. This is a big deal. If you live in your home as your primary residence, you likely qualify for the general homestead exemption. There are also additional exemptions for seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities. These exemptions reduce the taxable value of your property, which can lower your final bill. And if you're not sure whether you're receiving the exemptions you qualify for, it's worth calling the Adams County Assessor's Office to double check. I've seen homeowners save hundreds, sometimes even more, just by making sure their exemptions are up to date. Next comes the tax rate. This varies depending on where you live in the county. Each taxing body, like schools, libraries, townships, and fire protection districts, submits a levy that contributes to your overall rate. These rates are added together and multiplied by your adjusted assessed value. So if you've got a $60,000 assessed value and your total tax rate is, say, 6.03%, you'd owe $3,618 in taxes. Now, one thing I hear often is, my house didn't change. Why did my property taxes go up? Great question. The answer is usually either a change in the assessed value, maybe your area saw price increases, or a rise in the tax rate because one or more local entities needed more funding. It doesn't always mean your home was reassessed individually. It could just be a shift in your neighborhood or taxing district. So, what can you do if your bill feels too high? First, take a close look at your assessment notice. If you believe your home is overassessed, you can appeal. There's a specific window to file that appeal, usually within 30 days of receiving the notice. You'll want recent sales data from comparable homes in your area. That's something I can help you gather if you're thinking of appealing. To sum it up, your Adams County property tax bill is calculated by multiplying your assessed value, after exemptions, by your local tax rate. It's influenced by your home's market value, where you live, and the exemptions you qualify for. If you're thinking about selling your home or just want to get a better handle on your home's value and tax situation, I'd love to help. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, full-time real estate broker here in Adams County. Whether you're buying, selling, or just have questions, I'm here for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more local real estate tips. And if you found this helpful, share it with a neighbor or friend who might need a little clarity on their tax bill.